Yesterday marked the commencement of the Busoga Prayer Week at St. Andrew's Church of Uganda in the Bukoto Nakawa Division, organized by the Busoga Consortium. The event was graced by the Katikiro of Busoga Kingdom, Owek Dr. Owek Muvawala, who served as the chief guest, alongside former IGG Justice Irene Mlyagonja, MPs and other dignitaries. During his sermon, Reverend Canon Dr. Grace Rubare, chaplain of the Christians of Busoga Diocese in Kampala, emphasized the need for unity among the Busoga for the region's development. He urged the community to focus on building strong networks, setting aside their differences for the greater good.
Building a strong network. Mu economics, network is kigambo kikulu. Era muntu ajja kuba Muslim in an isolation. Waza muntu ajja kuwangala ng'oli otya ng'oli wenka. Kale obusoga twetaaga okuba walala unity.
The Busoga Kingdom Premier, Dr. Owek Muvawala, also highlighted the importance of unity within the Busoga Kingdom. He stated that Busoga is defined not by language but by geography, noting the region's rich diversity in genes.
I have reminded the Busoga that Busoga is not defined by the language. Busoga is defined by the geography. Busoga starts with the western bank of the Nile, goes up to Mpologoma, goes up to Lake Choga, and goes up to the border with Busia. So, and in there, Busoga boasts of the highest number of different genes that came from wherever they came from to come to Busoga. So one of the things that we need to emphasize in Busoga is not the difference in where we come from, but the similarity of our values and virtues. And one of them is that we believe in one God.
He emphasized the need to focus on shared values and virtues to foster unity among the people of Busoga, urging everyone to embrace their commonalities for the collective good of the kingdom. He emphasized that the Chabazinga represents the identity of Busoga, and strengthening unity will help uphold and celebrate the region's rich culture heritage.
That the Chabazinga is free, and that the Chabazinga is our identity. So if we can maintain cohesion, cohesion will help us maintain culture and to maintain those positive values that can keep Busoga together.
He urged leaders in Busoga Kingdom to respect one another as they promote their motherland.
And I have called upon the leaders to respect each other, to love each other as we promote our motherland, Busoga.
Stephen Chisaba Kubarwayo, chairman of the Regional Steering Committee for Busoga Prayer Week, urged the Busoga in Kampala and across Uganda to participate in the Busoga Prayer Week for the betterment of the kingdom.
I want to invite every Busoga within Kampala and beyond, and all the Busoga and those people who love Busoga to join us in this week's prayer. We are praying particularly to make Busoga the stimulus region in Uganda, so that we are able to attract government, we are able to attract other people to bring all resources to Busoga as the third group, biggest group in Uganda. We are also praying for love, so that we are able to love one another in unity of purpose. And out of prayers, we have seen very, very fundamental fruits.
Director General of the Busoga Consortium, Anthony Mura, highlighted on the 10 years Busoga development agenda among the dreams such as Busoga becoming the leading region in development in the country.
The dream is nti twena tuzimbe ebyalo 12 mu Busoga ebijja okuba entabiro ey'enkulaakulana ya Busoga yona yona. These model villages are going to be holistically developed across the entire spectrum. In other words, we are going to unpack the 10-year Busoga development agenda in this village.
The climax of Busoga Prayer Week is set for October 20th, 2024 in Ruka District, featuring interdenominational regional prayers led by Right Reverend Paul Hannington Subi, Bishop of East Busoga Diocese. The event is anticipated to be graced by His Excellency John Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, President of the Republic of Uganda, as the chief guest. Julius Momuza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.